If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Welcome to the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener. I'm Joy Baird in the backyard of the big garden here, kind of observing what's going on. Early September, the golden raspberries continues to produce. This is just some of what I've picked, and I can get this much more. You can see how they're changing. Very sweet, very enjoyable to eat. And this plant we never trim back. This was started 4 years ago with one plant, and then we bought 3 more plants, and they just keep propagating, and I'm gonna let them go. Works really nice. This here is our spaghetti squash, which has acquired powdery mildew, so we'll discard the vines in the trash. And however ripe they are, they are going to ripen a little bit more off the vine, but I'm going to have to pull those because there's nothing, the plant's dead. There's nothing more there. Yacons are looking good. Volunteer tomatoes there. Have some squash that is acquiring powdery mildew, yellow crookneck. There's a baby green zucchini there that I'm going to pull because that'd be a good size. Cucumbers are no more. This here is Jerusalem artichokes. This is a good year for them. Sometimes they are like 3 or 4 foot tall and they don't produce much. They can get 8 to 15 foot tall, and these are between 7 and 10 right now, so really good. Weeds in our raised beds. Leeks are doing decent. Over here we had bush beans, but a rabbit did figure out how to sneak in underneath the chicken wire and pretty much has devastated a lot of the bean plants. There's another one there that's devastated. But I do have pole beans as a backup, so I'll harvest those. And then the tomatoes over here, a lot of cherry tomatoes. I don't have very many beefsteak, and I thought I planted a lot of beefsteak, so apparently I did not. So that's golf ball size there. So I'll harvest those and kind of show you everything that I've gotten whenever I get done. But the coolness is in the air. Fall is nearly upon us, if not here. Here are some really tiny, I guess, grape tomatoes there. But kind of an update on what's going on. And I'll show you what I get whenever it's all completed here. So I'm moving these rhubarb plants that we have in containers because we don't want to put them in the ground. They've been in the containers for 4 or 5 years. Well, just a giant Rubbermaid tub, which is getting past its prime. So I moved it, and these were all the roots under that container that are rhubarb. So they are somewhat, yeah, they're in good shape, but keep that in mind if you got rhubarb in containers, which is totally fine, but you will need to divide it, and I have not divided it, and I'm sure it's just a giant block of rhubarb in that container. So this is the final harvest for what today's was. Golden raspberries, green beans, spaghetti squash, some zucchini, and a few cherry and medium-sized tomatoes. Certainly appreciate you coming along. Thanks for watching. I'm Joy Baird, and this has been the Wisconsin Vegetable Gardener.